also plug. In this video I'll be teaching you how to fix ads.txt in Google Admob, and it will also work for Google AdSense. So now it's very important to set up your ads.txt in Google Admob after creating your any app and published on Play Store. So you can see that it helps ensure that your digital ad inventory is only sold through sellers such as AdSense or Admob, who you've identified as authorized. So it helps to let Google know that you are the authorized owner of your application. Alright, so it gives you more control over who's allowed to sell ads on your site and helps prevent counterfeit inventory from being presented to advertisers. So we strongly recommend that you use an ads.txt file. So it is recommended. So now, to be able to do this, you must have a website. I have my own website in which I used to put it, but if you don't have a website, you can always use a blogspot. Account. So now this is how txt looks like. The ads.txt looks like this. It's google.com. For your publisher ID will be here. This 000, you change it to your publisher ID only, not banner or interstitial. So you paste this inside your app. For website owners, you can download a plugin called ads.txt. Download it. Once you download it, open it, then you place this there. Make sure you change this pub to your real publisher ID. Okay, so now, but in this video I'll be teaching you how to do that on Blogspot. So let's go to Blogspot. So you have to open a Blogspot account. Then while we open our Blogspot account, let me create a new blog so that we can see how this is done. I want you to also know that you can use Blogspot to do blogging. If you want to be a blogger, you can use it to do blogging. So let me sign in. Alright, so onboarding. So title of your blog. If you want to go into blogging, please, I will suggest you use a friendly SEO name. For example, if you want to go into music or entertainment, you can do something like music blog or music entertainment or something like that. Or the way we used to see is all these other blog, but in this video I just want to teach us how to add ads.txt to our blog. So I'll be using this. Let me use a nice name so that probably if I want to use it in the future, I'll continue using it. So I'll use sports channel. Alright, click on next. Sports channel. So anybody, this blog address is not available. Sport channel blog. This one has been chosen, so you can change it. This blog address is available. I think it is available. Display name. Sports channel. So click on finish. So this is how you click on this new post to create new posts, but we are not into that. This is where you add AdSense if you want to monetize it. You create AdSense account. If you have one before, you can log in and you link it, but at least you must have some unique content to do this. So now what we are going to do is this. Let's get our ads.txt file. Go to apps, click on view all apps. Okay, you can see getting ready. This was discussed in my last video about how you approve or verify your app on your Google Admob account so that ad serving limits can be removed. So you can say limited ad serving, review in progress, limited ad serving. So this helps remove or lift ad serving. So now you can see app ads.txt here. Click on it. Okay. So click on how to set up ads.txt. Alright, so this is it. Copy this, then click on got it. Okay, something I want to show us here. If you read number 3 very well, it said publish your apps as TXT on the root of your developer website, which is your Google Console account. So make sure the domain is entered exactly as listed on Google Play or the App Store. So this is how you do this. When you want to publish your app on Google Play Store, you must use your blog spot, the one I just created. The URL, you must use it, which is sportschannel.blogspot.com. You must use it as your website, because there is a space where you can put your website under store listing. If you are using Google Console very well, I know you are aware of this. Store listing, when you upload your icon, your feature graphics and your screenshots, so underneath, before you submit, you see where they wrote password, phone number, your email and your website. So make sure this is your website that you put your ads.txt is correctly written there, and you save it. If not, it will not be verified. So if you have done that, that means I have done that for the app, you would have seen that here in this place they wrote no data to display. You would have seen that here. It will show you status. So if it is verified, it will show 100%. You can see app add.txt URL, so the website will be here. So now we have copied our app.txt. Let's go to our blogger, then you click on settings. Okay, So you scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. So come down to this place and you turn this on. It's on before you make sure it is turned on. So I've turned it up now. Then you click on custom ads.txt. Custom ads.txt. Alright, then you paste the ads.txt, you copy it, you paste it here. Okay, this is not actually complete. Alright, so let's get this. This is how it's going to look like. And I told you need to change. I told you need to change the pub 000 to your own original publisher ID. So let's paste this here. So this one is always the same. This one is always the same. So now go to your Google Admob account. Go to your settings. Account information. This is your publisher ID pub. Alright, you copy this out, go to your blogger settings, then you replace it with this one. Okay, so then you save it. I think there is an error in this. Okay, so it has been done. So it was because of the space. So this is it. This is our art.txt, which is shown here. So now let's know if this has been done. So click on view blog. Like I said before, you have to copy out this link. This is your URL that you have to paste in the website, in your console, exactly like this. So to confirm if your ads.txt has been done, just put /ads.txt, then you click on enter. So did you see? It is showing boldly here. So this is how you add your ads.txt. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share and like my video.